Well, this might look better. That's high beam, that's low beam. Maybe not. It's, yeah, around midnight. I'm going down the trail on the way to my house. Hope no one thinks I'm trying to poach a deer or something stupid like that, but yeah. Yeah. Let's see, so that is high beams. You'll see when I go straight. Again, my camera's not really doing the justice. That's low beam, high beam. Not really showing much difference, but this is the AuxBeam 9007 bulbs. I'll probably make this a few minute video, and so far I am freaking happy with these bulbs. They are very bright. I do got to do a little aiming on them now that I changed them, because I did have a couple people flash me, because I know this high beam and low beam are pretty close to the same, so I guess I do need to move them down. Yes, there is a noticeable difference, of course, but I mean the camera won't pick it up, so I'll have to do a little tweaking on that. But such a beautiful night. It's about plus 20 outside when it was plus 35 earlier today. There's an opening up ahead there. Low beam, high beam. I got bad luck driving this trail at night. I smoked the deer on the quad just at that tree coming up here. Yes, Broxy's beside me panting a little bit, but she's always warm. Doesn't matter what time of the year it is. It could be winter, she'll be panting. But right about here's where I hit that deer. There's a video about that, and believe it or not, that's almost exactly the same time. I better watch out. I swear that would be almost the exact same weekend. Yeah, because it was a weekend before I met or found Fisher, I mean. Yeah, so I gotta watch out for that. Be kind of bad to hit one in here. What is on the road there? Well, look at that, talking about the deer. There's deer carcass right there on the road. It looks like just the furs from one, but still, the fur, not furs. I'm not going to do the whole trail system, no point. But these AuxBeam 9007, man, are they bright. Again, I'm only making this video on my iPhone 7 Plus right now. Believe it or not, it's the only camera I have that will pick it up. But I used to be adjust how bright this is, but it just doesn't work no more at night. During the day it works, but that's showing that, you know, it's still way brighter in real life. Way brighter. But hey, I'm working with what I have right now. Surprisingly, I haven't seen any deer yet. That's very surprising for this area. Normally they're everywhere, but leave on the camera maybe until I hit the main road. The plan for coming out at this time was, of course, test the headlights. I just finished playing with my loader in my dad's backyard, and basically plans got changed around. Now we're tearing down the rotten deck, and we're going to build a bigger deck between the house and the garage. So there's no point of finishing leveling the backyard if we're doing that. Just do it all at once. You can see how nice and smooth this trail is. There's of course a couple bumps, but I mean, very nice. They actually took a grader through here about 3 months ago, right when the snow melted. They I'm pretty sure this connects to where they're logging behind me somewhere, because why else would they have took a grader down it? Let's see if it's going to be a little soft here. No, looks pretty good. Actually, I think my last video I made the same clip going down here during the day, so awesome camping spot over that way, but of course it's not going to show up on camera. I don't know why, but I like driving quads, vehicles, almost anything 10 times more fun at night, because you don't need to go fast to have fun. Everything seems like you're just flying. Well, right now I'm going about 25 only, but yeah, it's a very nice night. Oh, there's the main road coming up in front of me, which I can see clearly with my eyes all the way up to the main road, but this camera's just not picking it up. Yeah, that's kind of weird, hey? Maybe I'll stop on the main road, get out, and show you guys what it looks like from outside of the vehicle. Make sure no one's coming behind me if I'm going to do this. Proxy, no hitting my shifter and making the truck drive by itself, okay? Right, Proxy? Whew. Dark night, a very dark night, barely any stars, you don't even see them, but wow, this is great. Oh yeah, that just dimmed my camera right out. Whew. Take a second to get my night vision back, but yeah, that was on high beams. Low beams, high beams. Also on high beams you get a squirt that actually lights up nicely beside the truck. But how you doing, Poodle? You doing good? You just want to get to my house? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna call this video right now. Huh, for some reason it looks very bright right now on the camera. High beam, low beam. Weird. 6 minutes.